Hey guys, and in this video I want to talk about posting to Reddit. So in one of my previous videos where I set up the auto post to various social networks, Reddit was one of these, and it did post, but the problem was it was the moderators who stopped the video from going online. Now Reddit has 330 million users on it, so if it's an easy thing for me to post onto this network, I will. And if I can get it to a few extra eyes to look at my material, even better. So yeah, I just want to see what we can do to get it posting. So the first message which I got after posting was this one. You can't post anything unless your Reddit account is more than 7 days old. So you set up your account and wait for 7 days before you post anything. And then the next message I got was that I needed 10 link karma and 10 comment karma to be able to post. Now, if you're new to Reddit like me, this can be quite overwhelming to understand what all this means. But simply, link karma is you posting links and people liking your stuff, and comment karma is you commenting on other people's posts. So I'll talk about comment karma first because that is the easiest one to get more of, and then we'll circle back on to link karma. So comment karma, all you have to do is go to random posts and just write something. You just keep commenting until you get enough comment karma. Now link karma isn't so straightforward because we were already posting our links previously. That's how it all started, and they weren't being accepted. Anyway, found this tip on an internet site and it will get you your link karma pretty much straight away. So just follow these steps exactly. So go to this link exactly on Reddit. So it's www.reddit.com/r/or/aww, and anything sort of after R is called a subreddit. So it's like a channel, and all you do is go here. Make sure you're logged into your Reddit account and you join this group. And once you've done that, you've got the create post. Then you go to this website here, imggur.com, and just type in like super cute. And make sure you sort by newest, because if someone has already posted a picture on Reddit, then it won't accept your link. So just look for on the filters here. I'm sorting high score, so sort by newest first. It just finds out really cute. So this one I found I used yesterday. I'll show you. And for example, you go to it, and this is how you download it. You don't even need it. Save the image, and once you've saved it, you can go here and you create the post. You upload the image, give it a title, and then post it. And that's what I've pretty much done. So on my account, if you go to profile, discard that so I can move to my page. So you can see I posted this 17 hours ago. I tried baby guinea pig and left it, and that I've got 27 link karma. So that's enough just from one post. And then I did another one just to back it up, so that's got another 27 there, and then you see in total I've got 115 karma, and now I actually do have enough. If I hover over here, you can see I've got 101 post karma and 14 comment karma. So comment karma takes a bit more effort, but it's easy to do. You just means you comment. I've commented on 14 posts, whereas with post karma, pretty much posted a few cute pictures, and that was enough to give me enough to be able to post. And that is it. That's all you need to do. So the summary is, in step 1, just register your account in Reddit, leave for 7 days. Step 2, you comment on other people's posts until you've got enough comment karma. And then step 3, post a cute picture into the or subreddit, and that should do it. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.